our presentation, our group looked on the interactive training games for Robins Air Force Base. As you can see on my screen, I'm on the login page for their website. It has the typical functions of forget password and the create new account button. When creating an account, users need to provide email, first name, and last name. With Robins Air Force Base, they have 6 different squadrons. They must input which squadron they belong to and create a password. Now, since I already have an account, I'm going to log into that one. As you can see here, I am greeted by a welcome screen with my name and my current progress of the 3 training games that the users need to do. Now this is the dashboard. Now if I go click on my name, what you see here is the dashboard. I go to profile, it shows the information that I have provided when creating my account, name, email, and squadron I belong to. Now if I go to certificate, there aren't any certificates now because I have not completed any of my trainings yet. Once you complete it and pass your training, your certificates will be listed in this section. Now, if I go to the top left and click on Stemful, one of the training games, as you can see here, it boots up and you can see the area where you can click and proceed to the training. The same thing will occur with the other 2 games. As you can see, I click on the No Fear X training game and the bill for that game pops up. For records management, we are still in the process of integrating the build. We will be doing that one day later from now. But so far, that's it. Click sign out and back to the login. And thank you very much for listening to our presentation.